Bonjour mes étudiants extended. I welcome you all to this new session. So we are in lesson 6 Les Amis de Caroline. So from this lesson we are going to learn nationality. So this is one important topic that you have to know. So this is one of the basic topic. So let's cover it. Today our goal is to finish exercise number 1. If you see in this exercise, they have given the nationality in masculine and they have asked us to do the feminine. If they have given in feminine, we have to do it in masculine. So to do this particular exercise, we must be aware of what nationality we deal with and what is the answer for it and everything. So you have to take page number 67. From this page, first I will explain you the country name and which is masculine and which is feminine, what is nationality and why should we use masculine and feminine. Those reasons I'll explain first, and then we can slowly finish exercise number 1. So this is the only page you have to have if you want to do exercise number 1. So exercise number 1 I'll be giving you as a homework, as well as that exercise number 1 will come for online test. So we'll start with this first line. So France is the name of the country and it is a feminine country. See, La France. So we usually use La for feminine countries. Here, if there is a male French citizen, you will call them as Français. Okay, il est Français. That means that particular person is a male Frenchman, male French citizen. Okay. In case if it is a female citizen, we will call them as Française. So Français, Française. That is the difference. Here I will not pronounce the S, and in feminine I will pronounce the S. So that is the difference. Français, Française. France, Français, Française. Repeat. France, Français, Française. And the second country which we are going to see is England. The name of the country is Angleterre. What is the name of the country? Angleterre. Anglais, Anglaise. Anglais, Anglaise. So this is the same thing which I did here. I am not pronouncing the S here. Here I will pronounce the S. Anglais, Anglaise. Next is Portugal, le Portugal, Portugais, Portuguese. So if you repeat along with me, it is very easy. Portugais, Portuguese. So what I read here is a male citizen and what I read here is a female citizen. Next is Germany. German country is called as l'Allemagne. Repeat. L'Allemagne. L'Allemagne. So this male citizen is Allemand, Allemande. Here I don't pronounce the D and here I pronounce the D. Allemand, Allemande. Japan. The country's name is Le Japon, Japonais, Japonaise. Japonais, Japonaise. The next country is China, La Chine, Chinois, Chinoise. Chinois, Chinoise. United States, les États-Unis. So United States is called as les États-Unis. Américain, Américaine. Américain, American. So here I don't pronounce the N much, half beat, but here I give full beat. That is the difference. So next country is Spain. Spain is called as l'Espagne in French. L'Espagne. The nationality is called as Espagnol. 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 Espanol, Espanol. So that are Spanish. Next country is Italy. L'Italie, is the name of the country. The citizen is Italien, Italienne, Italien, Italienne. Next is our country, India. Land, Indien, Indienne, Indien, Indienne. Algeria, Algeria is called as Algerie, Algérien, Algérienne, Algérien, Algérienne. Next is Saudi Arabia, that is called as l'Arabie Saudi. Repeat, l'Arabie Saudi, Saudien, Saudienne, Saudien, Saudienne. Next is Pakistan. Le Pakistan is the name of the country. Pakistani, Pakistanaise, Pakistani, Pakistanaise. So that's it. We have finished this tabular column. So when you are free, you can just try this and you can learn it. Now let us go and solve exercise number 1. So from this exercise, what you have to learn is, see, elle est française. So the answer is given here, elle est française. This is feminine. So in case if it is masculine, elle est français, there will be a small change in the spelling. So if you write both the spelling as same, that will become a mistake. We don't know either it is a male citizen or a female citizen. So you have to be very careful. So elle denotes a girl, so with E. Il denotes a boy, so without E. So that is one thing. So if you see here, elle est japonaise, so with E, so that is means she is a female citizen of Japan. Il est japonais, this is a male citizen of Japan. So next, the first dash is given and the second dash is il est chinois. So if you see here, chinois is which country? So let's go and check the tabular column. See here, chinois. So chinois is here. So it is a China. So what is the feminine form of chinois? Chinoise. So here is the answer. So from here you have to take the answer. Okay, and you have to write there. Elle est chinoise. You should not write just chinoise. You have to write elle est chinoise. And then you have to complete it. See, next is il est indien. So have a pencil and mark down the answers or circle it and write it later. So what is the feminine nationality of Indian? So search for India. India is here. Country's name is here. So Indian is masculine. So feminine is Indian. So Indian, it is single N and here it is double N. Indian. So this is what you have to note. So this is the answer for second one. Sorry, third one. Next is elle est italien. So to confuse you, they have given a new one. This time they have given feminine. Elle est italien. So double N is given. So Italian, what is the thing we have to find? See, double N is given here. So single N, Italien, Italian, Italien. So masculine is here. Next is fifth one. So let me give you a gap. I'll give you 10 seconds. You guess the answer for this and write it here. Meanwhile, I'll check who's writing it correctly and I'll give you the answer then. Your time starts now. So for this 5 and 6, you find out the answer. Those who finished for 5, go to 6. So here's the now I will reveal the answer. Portuguese. So I'll show you the answer. So elle est portugaise. So where I'm pointing here, see, this is the answer for the one which I said, Portuguese. That is for fifth one. Now elle est Swiss. So what is the answer for Swiss? I guess Swiss is not given here, but I'll tell you the answer. The same spelling will come here. Il est Swiss with E. Don't think without e, because Swiss already the spelling is like that. So write it. And il et belge. So these two are exceptional. This will give the same spelling. Swiss. I don't know if they have given as a note. No, they have not given. So Swiss and Belge, there should not be any change either in masculine nor in feminine. Okay, so Swiss, il est Swiss, il est Belge, and here it should be elle est Belge. And this three is easy. Il est Espagnol. So if you see eighth one, let me show you the answer for Espanol. Elle est Espagnol. So what I'm showing here is the answer. Elle est Espagnol. The next is il est français. So elle est française. So here is the answer. Elle est française. And last one, anglaise. Elle est anglaise. Elle est anglaise. For this one, il est anglais. Il est anglais. So that is it. So now we have come to the end of exercise number 1. So you have to find out the answers, as I already helped you in finding the answers. So this same exercise I'll give you for what? Online test. So you have to do that particular online test, and you have to learn this nationality. So your today's homework is you have to learn exercise number 1, and also you have to learn this tabular column for nationality. So let me once read out this. You can repeat along with me. La France. Français, française. Repeat. Français, française. L'Angleterre. Anglais, anglaise. Le Portugal. Portugais, portugaise. L'Allemagne. Allemand, allemande. Le Japon. Japonais, japonaise. La Chine. Chinois, chinoise. Les États-Unis. Américain, américaine. L'Espagne. Espagnol, espagnol. L'Italie. Italien, italienne. L'Inde. Indien, indienne. L'Algérie. Algérien, algérienne. L'Arabie saoudite. Saoudien, saoudienne. Le Pakistan. Pakistani, pakistanaise. So in case if you want to make this masculine plural or feminine plural, masculine no need to add a s. In case if it is feminine alone, you can add an s to make it plural. So that is given as a note. So that we will see later in a separate class, because if I join that with this today, you might get confused. So now the today's task which you have to do is solve this exercise as I helped you. Solve this exercise number 1 and get ready for the test. You will receive this as an online test. So do it well. So that's it for you guys. We have reached the end of today's online session. So leçon 6, les amis de Caroline. Merci mes étudiants. Bonne journée.